Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we will be focusing on numbers and number sense. Our first example, which of these is an integer? Which of these is an integer? First we have to establish what is an integer. An integer is a whole number positive, negative, and zero. All whole numbers positive and negative, and also zero. An integer is not a fraction. Not a fraction. Okay, so which of these is an integer? And an integer is a whole number, positive or negative, and also zero. And an integer is not a fraction. So let's look at our choices and see which one of them is an integer. A is a fraction. B is a fraction, a decimal fraction. Negative 12 is a whole number, a negative whole number. So that's our choice, but we can also still look at the next choice. Negative 2 and 3/8. This is a fraction. So our choice, which of these is an integer, is negative 12. So our choice is C. Next, which of these lists the numbers in order from least to greatest? From least to greatest. Okay, so let's set up a little number line. We have 0 right here, and a line continues endlessly. So this is 0 right here. This is 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, and -3. So we know that this continues. -4, -5, -6 continue endlessly. To the left, that means the numbers are negative, and on the positive side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and continues positively. The numbers increase to the right. Okay, so let's look at our first choice to see. We are looking for greatest to least. Sorry, least to greatest. So we have 3, -16, and 47. So right away we know that this is not correct because -16 is less than 3. So we'll go to the next example, the next option, -16. So -16 will be decreasing to the left. So this is less than 3 and 47. And then our next number would be 3. And then our next number would be 47. We increase to the right until we get to 47. So this choice seemed to be the correct choice. but let's put a little check right here. But we could check the others. 3 is greater than negative 16, so this order is not correct from least to greatest. Okay, negative 16, as we have already established, that negative 16 would be on this side the least, and then 47 is greater than 3, so 47 would be here and 3 would be here. So we go right back to our second option, which is the correct choice. So we know that if the numbers would increase to the left, we would have, okay, let's put it another way. I could have dot, dot, dot. That means it increases to the left and continue. And this one, dot, dot, dot. So we know that our 16, negative 16 would be somewhere over here on this side. And then, so this is least, and then 3 is right here, and then 47 would be somewhere all the way to the right. So we know that our correct choice is B. From least to greatest, negative 16, 3, 47. Next, identify the statement that is true. Okay, so we could also use a number line to help us. That means it continues. Now we have our 0 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Let's make this a little clearer. Number line. 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and let's continue to the left to get smaller. This is 0, 4, 5, 6. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's identify the statement that is true. Negative 5 is greater than negative 8. So this is negative 5 right here. And then we would have negative 8, 5, 6. Negative 8 would be about right here. So the numbers get smaller as they increase to the left. As the numbers get larger to the left, they are smaller in value. They are less in value. So negative 8 is greater, negative 5 is greater than negative 8 is true, because negative 5 is right here and negative 8 is to the left. So negative 5 is greater than negative 8. Let's put a check right here. Let's check out the other options. Negative 3 is greater than 2. Negative 3, this is negative 3 and this is negative 2. So negative 3, the numbers get smaller to the left. So negative 3 is greater than negative 2 is not correct, because 2 is to the right of negative 3. Negative 1 is less than or equal to negative 16. So negative 16 would be all the way over here, and this is negative 1. So negative 1 is greater than negative 16. So this already is incorrect. 3 is less than negative 9. 3 is right here. Negative 9 would be somewhere here. So 3 is greater than negative 9. So this is not correct. So our correct choice is negative 5 is greater than negative 8. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section. See you in the next video.